Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into what could easily be hailed as the best reading glasses on the market, the J+S Vision Reading Blue Light Glasses. Now, what sets these glasses apart from the rest? Let's delve into the details. First off, these aren't your ordinary reading glasses. They're equipped with cutting-edge technology that filters out a whopping 90% of high-energy blue light, providing unparalleled protection for your eyes. Plus, they offer 100% UV protection, ensuring your eyes stay safe from harmful rays. But that's not all. With magnification strengths ranging from 1.0 to plus 3.0 diopter, there's a perfect option for everyone. Whether you're reading a book or working on your computer. Now, let's talk about build quality. These glasses feature a sleek, black polycarbonate frame that's not only durable but also lightweight. And with spring-loaded temples, they provide a comfortable fit for heads of all sizes. In conclusion, the J+S Vision Reading Blue Light Glasses offer unmatched protection, comfort, and style, making them a must-have accessory for anyone who spends extended periods in front of screens. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, stay tuned and stay stylish.